Hey y'all, I am going to try to start doing some videos. Um, this is my little tiny kitchen in my beautiful little house. There's little Gracie. And I am going to make some henna paste for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to the Urban Yoga Fest in West Palm Beach. It's about 50 miles south of here, so it is about 2 hours. No, about an hour south of here. I'm going to take the whole trailer. We're camping down there. I am going to come back here. So what I've got in this pouch is some Jamila. A lot of people, henna artists, professional henna artists, do not use Jamila anymore. I like to mix my pastes, and I think Jamila just gives it kind of a rich, creamy quality. So I'm going to use a third Jamila. The other thing I'm going to use is Mohana. And that, actually, my sweet little friend Christina from Birch Tree Henna, she is the one that turned me on to this. This came from Artistic Adornment. And I'm going to use a third of that, a third Jamila, a third Mohana. The Mohana is really a beautiful, dark staining henna. As you can see, everything's stored in airtight bags that are kept in the dark and not exposed to extreme heat or extreme cold. So I'm not going to measure necessarily. I'm going to do a third of each. And then the other one I'm going to use is a Rajasthan henna. And this is from the Henna Society. And they are a beautiful bunch of people in the northeast part of the U.S. Okay, so nice and airtight bag. The Rajasthani, I sometimes will do just the Rajasthani henna. Sometimes I'll do just the Mohana. I would not necessarily do just Jamila, because I like the qualities of these two too. Now I will be wrapping these up, putting them away in a nice tight container, because you do not want you don't want the air to get to it. Let it sit out. And then what I use is distilled water. We don't want to use regular water because regular water is full of chlorine. And I'm going to use about a cup of water. I'm going to add some essential oils. This is Cajeput, and this is the company that I use. It's called, I don't know if it even has it on there, but bulk something. I don't know. I'll have to look and get back to you on that. So I've got bergamot, which is great. It's kind of a citrusy smell, and then Cajeput. And Cajeput, the experts, I guess, before me that I've learned from say Cajeput is really the best. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons to 100 grams of henna. Again, the bergamot is a citrusy smell. It's not necessarily a citrus from a citrus fruit, but it also doesn't, there's no sun sensitivity. A lot of the citrusy ones have the sun sensitivity. And then I do something a little different, that I use molasses instead of sugar. And yes, even here in Florida, and I use about the same amount of molasses as I do oils. Okay, and that's it. That's all that you put into henna paste. I am mixing it. This is another thing that I believe I'm the only one that I know of that does this. I mix it right in the bag. Okay. I don't whip it. I don't do any of that stuff with it. I mix it right in the bag. I'm going to put a rubber binder around right here. And then I massage it. A lot of times will hold it. Sometimes I'll put it like next to my heart. I think the body heat is what I'm looking for. So generally what I have found is that equal amounts of liquid and equal amounts of henna powder turn into a nice paste, the nice consistency that I like. So yeah, then I just kind of massage it, get it all mixed. And like I said, I actually hold it. I just kind of pray over it and love it and think about all the beautiful designs that are going to come out of it that people are going to love and enjoy. I just think mixing henna is one of the really highlights. A part of henna that I really love. I love mixing it. So that's it. I just keep massaging it, get it mixed really well. The next step will be straining it. I learned that from Victoria Welsh. Strain every single batch, which I do, and then cone it up. And it will be ready for tomorrow. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Love you.